When do you need to be focused?
Obviously, when I'm working, I need to stay focused and try not to get distracted while I'm at work. Also, I need to be focused when I'm watching films.
What may distract you when you're trying to stay focused?
Some noise, I guess. I really hate loud noise like people shouting, cars beeping, and so on. I lose my concentration whenever I hear something noisy.
What do you do to help you concentrate?
I don't have any problems with getting focused, so I don't do much. Sometimes I find somewhere quiet to make myself concentrate better. And that's about it.
Is it difficult for you to stay focused on something?
Not really. I can concentrate well whenever I need to, and I don't get distracted easily. But in a really noisy environment, it takes some time for me to concentrate.
Well, there's a picture of my secondary school friends and myself in my room, and it's definitely my favorite. I hung lots of pictures in front of my desk, so I can see them often, and this one is right in the center. I took it with my friends on the day we graduated from our secondary school. After 6 years of studying, it was like the last day of taking pictures of all of us. So, after the ceremony, we took the picture in front of the main building of our school. I really like this photograph because it reminds me of my school life. My friends and I had so much fun, and it was the first photo we took all together. By seeing this photo, I can think of how enjoyable my school life was. Also, everyone in the picture looks extremely happy. After taking A-levels, we were all fed up with school assignments and exams, but on this day, we were so excited about starting something new. It's really a nice photo, and I really like it very much. What are the advantages and disadvantages of taking photos by smartphone?
Well, obviously people don't have to carry their cameras with them, so it's really handy. Also, all smartphone cameras are of good quality nowadays, so the quality of pictures is good, but people don't really print them out to keep photographs, which might make it difficult to remember all occasions.
Do you think photographers are artists?
I definitely think so. They are very artistic, and I believe photography is one of the arts nowadays as photographers have become more professional and creative.
What are the benefits of learning painting for children?
Obviously, it's good for their emotional development. By learning how to paint or draw what they like, they can improve their imagination and creativity, as well as learn to express themselves in various ways.
Can anyone become a famous artist through hard work?
I don't quite think so. To me, being artistic is something that can't be learnt. It's something people are born with. Of course, people can improve their artistic sense through hard work, but there would be always some kind of obstacles they would face.